Capturing precise 3D geospatial data is our expertise. Today, CHC Navigation unveils its next-generation 3D reality capture system. Experience the innovative integration of high-precision LiDAR and full-frame industrial cameras that is changing the face of aerial surveying and mapping. Introducing AlphaAir 10, CHC Navigation's state-of-the-art intelligent aerial survey system. Resulting from 3 years of development, it features second-generation real-time waveform processing technology with an impressive point density of 500,000 points per second, a 800-meter range, and 5mm accuracy. It sets a new industry benchmark, achieving 5 cm accuracy at an altitude of 150 meters. It takes the safety and efficiency of aerial surveying and mapping to new heights. The AlphaAir 10 system is a true leap forward in laser surveying technology with an impressive point density of 500,000 points per second and the ability to acquire 8 echoes. It effortlessly penetrates dense vegetation to acquire accurate ground point data, using ground point clouds to generate accurate digital evolution models, and topographic maps effectively reduces the need for additional mapping by over 85%. The AlphaAir 10 features CHC Navigation's patented tilt prism scanning device, combining high-performance LiDAR, high-precision inertial navigation, and full-frame industrial cameras. It delivers unrivaled performance in the lightweight 1.55 kg system, compatible with popular drones such as the DJI M300. It redefines aerial operations and makes field work efficient and effortless. Combined with the Copre Point Cloud Image Fusion modeling technology, the AlphaAir 10 empowers the rapid construction of high-quality mesh models. Through textured mapping based on captured images, it efficiently reconstructs 3D models with an impressive 100% efficiency in the single pass for aerial triangulation. As a result, modeling efficiency is at least doubled, enabling companies to effectively handle field workloads and overcome data processing challenges. The CHCNAV AlphaAir 10 represents the next generation of smart aerial surveying technology. Its advanced capabilities enable efficient capture of colorized point clouds, 3D models, true digital orthophotos, and high-precision digital elevation models in a single pass. With unparalleled efficiency and streamlined workflow, AlphaAir 10 lets you experience aerial surveying like never before.